In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize headers, footers, and page numbers in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a student writing an essay or a professional creating a report, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, to add a header, you'll need to activate the header area. You can do this by moving your cursor to the very top margin of your page. Once you're in the margin area, simply double-click your mouse. This action will open up the header section for editing, and you'll notice the main body of your document becomes slightly grayed out, indicating you're now working within the header. Now that the header is active, you can see a blinking cursor ready for you to type. You'll also see a checkbox option for a different first page, which allows you to have a unique header just for your title page. For now, anything you type or insert here will automatically appear at the top of every page in your document. This is perfect for adding consistent information like your name or document title. Let's go ahead and type some text. For this example, we'll add a last name as you might for an MLA style paper. As you type, you can use all the standard formatting tools from the toolbar above to change the font, size, and alignment. Here, we will right-align the text to place it in the top right corner of the page, a common requirement for academic formatting. The next step is to confirm the header has been applied throughout the document. As you scroll down from the first page to the second and beyond, you'll see that the text last name automatically appears in the header of every single page. This is the default behavior and saves you the manual effort of adding it to each page individually, ensuring consistency across your entire document. Next, let's move on to adding a footer, which works in a very similar way. Scroll down to the bottom of any page in your document. Just like with the header, move your cursor into the bottom margin and double-click. This will activate the footer editing area. This is where you will typically add page numbers or other information like the document's file path or version number. To add page numbers, go to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, hover over Page Elements to expand its submenu. Then, hover over Page Numbers. You will be presented with several formatting options. You can place the page number in the header or footer, and you can choose whether it starts on the first or second page. For this guide, we'll select the option to place the page number in the bottom right of the footer, starting from the first page. Once you click your desired format, the page number instantly appears in the footer. Notice that Google Docs automatically inserts the correct number for the current page. If you were to scroll to the next page, you would see the number 2. This numbering is dynamic and will automatically update if you add or remove pages from your document. Now, let's add a total page count for a page X of Y format. With your cursor still in the footer, type the word of and a space. Then navigate back to the Insert menu, hover over Page Elements, then Page Numbers, and this time select Page Count. This will insert a dynamic field that always shows the total number of pages in the document. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized headers, footers, and dynamic page numbers in your Google Doc. You can see how the footer now displays the current page relative to the total page count, and this updates automatically as you scroll through. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.